What's up, YouTube? Or what's up, guys? Yeah, this is Raccoon Rasta again with another episode. Yeah, that's my raccoon behind me. He always be following me. Yeah, it's raining in Ohio, so I'm just out doing another episode for the peeps, you know. Yep, what should I talk about today? How is it? And house arrest. Yeah, this is not easy. Yep, it's not easy because you know when you know you shouldn't even be on something like this because you don't give trouble, you know, you don't give problem, and then you are on just here sitting around have nothing to do. I mean, you thank God you're not in jail though, but you still like you're in jail because you can't go nowhere, you know. And yeah, it's not easy, man. Yeah, my camera not working right. Either want to go up in the sky or yeah. So yeah, it's another story. Wani, yeah, I don't think Wani want to walk with me today. Yeah, it's another story, and just trying to check in on daily block, you know. So yeah, it's froze up. I don't know why, but I'm gonna turn the camera around back. I think that's my phone. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know where one is, but I'm gonna go find one. Wani. Hey, Wani. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Wani? Are you coming? Wani says it's raining today. You're gonna stay right there. What's up, Wani? Wani, come here. Hey. Yeah, I know why he's smiling in there. Yep, Wani said he's just doing him today. He's not even paying me too much attention. So, yep. As I was saying, this is like not easy. But I gotta just trust in God to give me the victories, the strength and the faith through these things. You know, because God knows I'm innocent, you know. I don't even want to start over the story no more, but you know, the people them who murder my wife and the people them who rob me and shoot me up still out there. But I'm the good guy in problem. But that don't mean you have to stop being good, because when you do good, you do it to God, you know. And God said He will reward His people. So yeah, I'm just trusting in Jesus. But it's raining over here and it's all wet. It's all wet and not, you know, wet outside. So I'll just do a little vlog. You know. So yep. This is how it's set. So I'm gonna try to get a video with Wani. And just like and subscribe. One day I'll be on the street. God's willing. So we say peace out. I am Raccoon Rasta, or one is a raccoon. Yeah. Subscribe and like and share. Yep.